Home equity line of credit while purchasing a home. A home equity line of credit is a loan option that allows you to borrow against the available equity in your home. Your house increases in value each year. The more it grows past the initial purchase price, the more equity you'll have. A HELOC is kind of like using a credit card. You have a set amount of funds that you're able to borrow from on an ongoing basis and is paid back monthly. Typically, you'll have a draw period of up to 10 years making interest-only payments, and afterwards you'll enter a repayment period paying back both the principal and the interest. The qualification process is the exact same as any standard mortgage. We'll need to review your credit, tax returns, and bank statements, among other documents. HELOCs are a popular option among homeowners because the interest rates are lower compared to normal credit cards and home loans. Getting a HELOC along with the purchase money first mortgage to purchase a second home has become a very popular, very attractive program in today's market. This first and second mortgage option will save you thousands of dollars over the life of the loan. Give my team a call to learn more about these options. Thanks for watching today's video. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more mortgage content. We're the Mortgage Firm Tampa, a local lender serving clients like you.